Hello students, welcome to our channel Mathematical Lens, Math for CBSE and all competitive exams. Okay, let us start. Number 1. A minus B. We multiply A plus B. A minus B. A plus B. A plus B whole square root over. Clear? Then 1 plus cos A whole square root over divided by A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, A square minus B square root over. Square root over cancel. 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos square A, sin square A, sin square A root over. 1 plus cos A by sin A, sin A, 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A, 1 by sin A cosec A plus cos A by sin A cot A, cosec A plus cot A, that's the answer. Next, number 2. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC. Median BE. BE. BE median. G centroid. Centroid G. BG 12. B is equal to 12. BE is equal to dash. BG 12. 2 times. GE 1 times, GE 1 time, total 3 times. So GE is equal to half BG, half BG. So GE equal to 6, GE equal 6. GE equal half BG, GE equal half BG. Clear? So BE. B equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 centimeter. BE equal to 18 centimeter. BG 2 times, GE 1 times. GE equal half BG. So GE equal 6. BE equal 12 plus 6 equal 18 centimeter. BE is equal to 18 centimeter. Number 3. School JKLMNP games AB. Ratio the total number of players participating game A and game B. Game A total number of players 154, 154, 154. Ratio game B total 234, 234. Divided by 2, divided by 2. Divided by 2, 77. Divided by 2, 117. Answer 77, ratio 117. Next, number 4. mx plus n is a factor of mx plus n whole square. That is answer. It is solved. mx plus n whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, m square x square plus 2m n x plus n square. That's answer. M plus n, mx plus n is a factor of mx plus n whole square. A plus b whole square. Answer is m square x square plus 2m x plus n square. It has option. It has option. Next, number 5. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC. B 90 degree. ABC is a triangle B 90 degree, tan A equal 5 by 12, tan A equal 5 by 12, tan theta P by B, tan A P B, right angle triangle, so AC is 13 centimeter, AC equal 12 square plus 5 square root over 144, 25, 169 equal 13, AC equal 13. Then we will find sin A plus sin B sin C. Sin theta P by H, sin A P by H 5 by 13, sin B 90 degree value 1, sin C P by H 12 by 13, LCM 13, 5, 13 1 जा 13 plus 13 into 12, 13 plus 12 25, 5 30 by 13 equal 13 to the 4, 13 to 26 plus 4 30 by 13, 2 whole 4 by 13. That's the answer. Sin A plus sin B sin C will equal to 2 whole 4 by 13. Sin A, sin B, sin C, sin theta equal to P by H, tan theta equal to P by B. Next, number 6, in the triangle, find the length of BC. Theta 30 degree. Sin theta equal P by H, BC by FB. Sin A sin 30, BC equal X, FB equal 10, sin 30 1 by 2, x by 10, 2x equal 10, x equal 5. Find the length of BC, x equal 5 centimeter. Next, number 7, with average speed 40 km per hour, train reaches on time if it goes speed 30 km. If it goes 30 km, it takes 15 minutes late. The total journey. Let the total journey x kilometer. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Greater time minus smaller time equal 15 minutes. Greater time minus a smaller time equal 15 minutes. 15 minutes is equal to 1 by 4 hour, because hour speed is kilometer per hour. So 15 minutes is equal 1 by 4 hour. Then we will solve 30, 45, 90 LCM. 90 divided by 30, 3x, 2x equal 1 by 4, 3x minus 2x, x by 90 equal 1 by 4, 4x is equal 90, x equal 90 by 4 equal 22.5 kilometer. The total journey by total distance 22.5 kilometer. Time equal distance by speed. Greater time minus smaller time equal late time. Kilometer per hour, so 15 kilometer convert hour, 15 minutes is equal 1 by 4 hour. Next, number 8. The tax on the salary of C is 1 by 4 the salary and saving are 1 by 3 of salary. The ratio of expenditure to the saving is dash. After tax, salary, real salary means salary minus tax. Let salary is 1. Salary is 1. After tax, salary is 1 minus 1 by 3. Salary saving are 1 by 3. The tax on the salary of C 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. Salary minus tax equal real salary equal 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Expenditure 3 by 4 minus saving. Saving 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Clear? Salary minus tax equal real salary 3 by 4. Real salary 3 by 4 minus saving 12 9 12 divided by 3 4 equal 5 by 12. Expenditure 5 by 12. The ratio of expenditure to the salary. Expenditure ratio saving. Expenditure 5 by 12 ratio saving and saving are 1 by 3 of salary. Saving 1 by 3. 12 divided by 3 4 equal 5 by 4 is to 1 equal 5 is to 4. Clear? Answer is 5 is to 4. Expenditure saving equal 5 is to 4. 12 divided by 4. 5 by 4 is to 1. 4 divided multiplication 5 is to 4. Answer 5 is to 4.